Let's try Buldak and Dave's hot chicken for the first time. I am so excited to try this combo. Look at that bite. Wow, that is pretty damn good. Let's try it with their Reaper Ranch. Put some on there, add some Reaper Ranch. Not gonna lie, that ranch tastes a little off. Let's try it with some cheese sauce instead. Great combo. Try it with some Dave sauce. Some Dave sauce. Literally the perfect bite. Honestly, the Buldak by itself with the tender tastes the best. I'm gonna save the rest for later, but I'll see y'all in the next video.